Cohorts, bulk enroll. Cohorts are site-wide or category-wide groups which can easily be enrolled into courses. There are two ways of enrolling cohorts and they have different benefits. Let's first create a cohort as admin and then investigate both methods. From Site Administration, Users, Cohorts, our admin can add a new cohort, either in the system, site-wide context as here, or in the category context. The cohort will be visible to course teachers to use unless she hides it. She assigns some users, and then from Site Administration, Plugins, Enrollments, Manage Enroll plugins, she can enable Cohort Sync, checking the default settings meet her requirements. Now, Teacher Mr. Wilson has two options. Cohort enrollment from Course Navigation, Participants, Enroll Users allows him to enroll cohort members as individuals. So here we see him accessing his digital literacy course from Enroll Users, selecting a cohort, assigning them a role and quickly enrolling them. This is useful if our teacher doesn't expect the cohort to change often, as he would manually need to enroll or unenroll more members. If he wanted to use groups, he'd also have to manually allocate them to groups. A second option is Cohort Sync when enabled by admin. Cohort Sync from Course Navigation, Participants, Enrollment methods also allows him to enroll in bulk, but he can put the cohort members into groups and they are automatically synchronized when any changes are made to the cohort. Here we see our teacher in his Oceans for All course adding the Cohort Sync method. He then needs to choose the cohort and, if desired, either an existing group or a newly created group. From the participants list now, we see the cohort members enrolled into a new group. As admin, let's go to the cohort and remove Mark and add a new member, Paula. What happens then is that in the digital literacy course, using cohort enrollment, nothing has changed since there is no synchronization here. However, if we go to the Oceans for All course, we see that user Mark has been removed and user Paula has been added to the group. To summarize, cohorts allow groups of users to be added to courses in bulk, either by cohort enrollment or cohort sync. With cohort sync, members can be put into groups upon enrollment and changes to the cohort are reflected in the course.